I want to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Amit and Dr. Ramandeep. ECG was something that I tackled both in OT as well as in emergency, and it was something I was really scared of because I was not really able to understand. Because of the way that this program has been framed, with each and every aspect of ECG being tackled each and every day for over a month, it was very easy to catch up, to revise, and there were a lot of questions that were being asked about it, along with a lot of tests and quizzes that were happening. I really would encourage people to become a part of this program. It really would help on a long run for sure. And I again want to thank Dr. Amit and Ramandeep. It was an amazing program. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sharon from King Ahmed Hospital, Bahrain. I would like to say my sincere thanks to Dr. Amit and Dr. Ramandeep sir for providing the best opportunity to learn this ECG from simple to complex one. Basically, I am a nurse, but after joining this MCC group, I started to prepare a note and started to collect the ECG from a hospital. Yes, if you work hard and practice it through a proper guidance, ECG will be easy. Thank you, sir, being my mentor and always available to teach us. God bless you.
Hello, Mr. I would like to express my deepest appreciation for your excellent way of teaching ECG. I like the way you delivered ECG lesson and encourage us to participate in the program. At last, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Proud to be MCCNs. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Manoj. I'm a general practitioner. I have done my MBBS from Pune. I tried multiple times for the PG exam, but due to some unavoidable background, I have to start my own practice. But when I started my practice, the first patient came for an ECG to me was a very big blunder. Then I thought, what I'm doing. Then there was there was one question on a Facebook by Dr. Amit Arora where I answered that question, and uh, he included me in the MCC group, and we started. So I have joined the ECG learning program, CT scan program. Some MRI clips were also there, and all these are teach and governed by the most knowledgeable faculty of MCC. And I remember that many students have got the very good seats in NEET PG exam. So now I am able to read and crack any ECG or scan as from a very rural area in Pune district. It is very unfortunate that we don't have such qualified perhaps radiologists, I'd say. But when I did the program, I am able to at least point out the very important features in scans and MRIs. And regarding the ECG, my hospital unit were able to pick up the very early blocks. Were sent to an NGO and all the further things where they got very nice treatment and saved on timely basis, and we could save their life. So it is a very good I would not say initiative, but a good education platform for the doctors like me who just wish to continue the practice while learning. And I think it is one of his own kind in India itself, I think. So, okay, thank you, Dr. Amit, sir. Thank you everything for me. Yeah.